My dear students and well-wishers, wish you all a joyful, meaningful Independence Day. At the outset, I would like to say a big sorry to all of you as we could not stream live the Independence Day celebrations at the school as we had promised you. We had some technical problems like poor internet connectivity, though we have a BSNL broadband connection. Fortunately, we have video recorded some important parts of the program, like the unfurling of the flag, the founder chairman's message, etc. We will soon upload this after editing and send you the link so that you can watch it at your leisure. Please watch it, especially our founder chairman's message, which was meaningful and apt for the occasion. This morning, we have unfurled the symbol of our patriotism in front of our institution. We looked on with pride as the tricolor fluttered in the morning breeze. But this is merely a symbol. This material symbol will find meaning in our lives when we make ourselves worthy of the freedom it represents. The patriotic love for our nation should flutter in our hearts. The pride for our motherland should rouse up our spirits. It is then that our country will flap its wings and arise into that heaven of freedom, as Rabindranath Tagore has sung. Freedom does not come easily. We are all indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. They shed their blood for our motherland. As patriotic citizens, let us put extra effort into performing our civic responsibilities. Let us look around to see what we can contribute, however small it is, to develop our nation, to make India a better place to live in, a peaceful place to live in. Our diversity should not be seen as a weakness, but as our greatest strength. It is only by working together that we can build a resilient and a thriving nation. Every year, our students used to give expression to their patriotism on this day with cultural programs, competitions, displays, and parades. The campus would be brimming with activities. This year, due to the pandemic, we missed our students and all such events. So, dear students, in this situation, it is advised that you observe the day and revel in patriotism from the safety of your homes. Maintain all social distancing and safety guidelines. Keep yourselves and your community safe. That would be the true spirit of Independence Day 2020. Once again, happy Independence Day to all of you, our students, parents and well-wishers. Jai Hind. Thank you.